Creating a business plan may seem overwhelming, but I'm going to break it down for you. Hey y'all, I'm Lusia Donovan, but you can call me Lu. I started my first business at 19, and now I run and own 6 businesses, one of which I help entrepreneurs just like you set the foundation for their business. I have created business plans for all my business ventures, and I help others create and/or reset their business plans using my step-by-step guide. When providing business plan advice, I've witnessed clients successfully secure funding, streamline operations for increased efficiency, and achieve growth through targeted marketing strategies. In this video, I'm going to cover the key sections to include in your Simplified business plan, how to structure each section, and provide practical tips to help you create it efficiently. Before agreeing to open up halls on 5th in downtown Apopka, Florida, I walked my business partners through my Simplified business plan to identify if, the new business venture was financially feasible and viable, as a capital investor in the partnership. In the Simplified business plan that I like to utilize, there are 9 sections. First up, but completed last, is the executive summary section. It serves as an abbreviated overview of the entire document. Creating this at the end allows you to summarize the key points and insights effectively, as you will have a comprehensive understanding of your business and its components. Next up is the business overview section, where you present a brief overview of your business. Here you will mention your business's name and clearly outline the services or products you intend to offer. Following behind that is the market and competitor analysis section, which provides a comprehensive view of your target market, identifies potential opportunities, and helps you make informed strategic decisions. Up next is the management operations section, which communicates the structure of your organization, demonstrating leadership, understanding accountability, identifying resource needs, and aiding in scalability. The implementation and marketing section helps you understand the best strategies to attract potential clients, outline timeline and key milestones for launching your business, product, or service, and explain how you will publicize it. The social impact communicates your values, differentiating yourself in the market, attracting stakeholders, guiding decision-making, and accessing funding opportunities. The risk, mitigation, and contingency section demonstrates a realistic understanding of risk by developing strategies to mitigate identified risk, enhance decision-making, and build trust and confidence with your customers. The financial analysis section provides a comprehensive evaluation of the financial viability and sustainability of your business. And the conclusion section plays a vital role in your business plan. It provides a brief overview of the key points, leaving a lasting impression, reinforcing key messages, offering a reference point, and demonstrating professionalism. I'll leave the link below where you can access the Simplified business template that I created for my Try Startup Accelerator communities. When developing each section of the Simplified business plan, the template that I use, there are a series of questions that I answer to help me create a robust enough plan that helps me make an informed decision void of emotion. This structured approach ensures that each component contributes effectively to the overall strategic direction of the plan. Here are some practical tips when you are creating your business plan. 1. Don't skip on the research. Gather your data for your market, your target audience, competitors, to inform your strategies. 2, you want to be realistic. Ensure your financial obligations and timelines are grounded in realistic assumptions and achievable milestones. 3, seek feedback. Get input from your mentors, advisors, or potential investors to help you refine your plan and address your blind spots. Lastly, you want to update it regularly. Your business plan is a living document that evolves with your business. You want to make sure that you update it as circumstances change or new opportunities may present themselves. Now, I recognize that creating a business plan can be a daunting task, even for the most experienced individuals. But remember, your business plan serves as a roadmap and a key to setting the foundation for your business as it provides a comprehensive overview for your venture. So make sure you don't bypass this critical part, especially if you plan to secure funding, want ability to make informed decisions, and have a more enjoyable experience launching your business.